This hair needs to be studied. But you know what? No one cares. You should be yourself. You should not let things get to you. This is my hair and I'll own it. All right. So, how to detach? पहले तो भाई ये बताओ कैसे हो? Of course, इस वीडियो पे क्लिक किया तो I'm assuming you guys are not really doing well. कोई बात नहीं. It's fine. I understand. Now let's talk about shit. When you're going through some shit, situationally or relationship wise, तुम लोगों को बहुत एडवाइस मिली होगी कि don't think about it, focus on something different. Think about the better things in life, or man the fuck up. That's one of the big ones that I as a man get. And all of these things I'm not saying are wrong, but a lot of times they don't help, especially initially जब तुम्हारा कुछ बहुत serious चल रहा है and you really don't have the mental bandwidth to deal with anything. These things might not help you guys, because मेरे को तो ऐसा ही लगता था. These things did not really help me. Why letting go or detaching is really important. I'm sure you know that letting go and detachment ke baad hi you'll have some space in your life to focus on other things which are important to you. Maybe get into a different relationship, or maybe focus on your career. But abhi kar hi nahi pa rahe because dimag mein sirf shit chal raha hai, right? It is very natural and it is very normal. First of all, you do not have to punish yourself कि ओ भाई मैं move on नहीं कर पा रहा, या फिर ये situation से मैं बाहर ही नहीं निकल पा रहा हूँ. I'm in a rut. Relax. Coming on to the first part, a lot of people, including myself, start moving on by having this thing कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं नहीं सोचूंगा इस बारे में. Thoughts आ रहे दिमाग में, you're resisting them, you're fighting them. But sadly this approach does not work. What you resist will always persist. ये चीज सुनने में बहुत बारी तुम्हें सुनना होगा, and it made sense to you, लेकिन you don't know how to act about it. So instead of constantly trying to let go, can you just let it be? Think about it. जितनी बार भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में थॉट्स आ रहे हैं related to this situation, I will use a universal example of a relationship or detaching from a person, because that is the most relatable to everyone probably. And yeah, कितनी बारी भी तुम्हें अपने पास्ट रिलेशनशिप की अच्छी चीज़ें याद आ रही है, या फिर उस इंसान की याद आ रही है, if you're missing that girl a lot, it is okay. You spend some time with this person and it's okay to feel this way. If you fight these things, they will create resistance for you, and that will not allow you to let go. तुम इसमें और ज़्यादा energy और focus डालोगे तो और ज़्यादा road blocks आएंगे along the way. But if you let it be, if you accept that yeah ठीक है, I am attached today, I am attached maybe tomorrow, but eventually with time it will be fine. तो वो जो फीलिंग्स और वो जो थॉट्स है ना, वो नेचुरली आएंगे and it will drift, and that is very powerful. Even though if it does not drift initially, and you'll feel that तुम extra energy और focus नहीं दे पा रहे हो road blocks की तरफ. You're not resisting it, it's just letting you flow. And in this stage it is really important to have a release. Either talk to someone, and if you feel like I need an emotional breakdown, cry with someone, whatever helps you feel, do that. Whatever helps you process, do that, because that is the only way in which you can actually release and then prompt yourself, or prepare yourself to start letting go. The second most important thing which you need to do in order to truly detach, and this will sound counterproductive, but figure out what you're attached to. Now again, using the example of relationship, जब भी मैं किसी को ये बोलूँगा कि भाई what are you really attached to, I know the first thing that they will say कि यार I'm really attached to this woman. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा attached हूँ, and that is why I'm not able to let go. You are never attached to a person, but you're always attached to a meaning that you're associating to this person. Now, as an example, let's say that that person really loved you and cherished you and gave you validation and attention. You are attached to the attention or the love that you were given to by this person, एंड उसका रीज़न ये हो सकता है कि तुम्हें अपने लाइफ के अदर एवेन्यूज में वो सब चीज़ें नहीं मिली, यू वर नॉट रियली वैलिडेटेड और यू वर नॉट लव्ड और यू हैवंट गिवन दैट टू योर ओन सेल्फ। दैट इज़ वाई तुम वो चीज़ें एक्सटर्नलाइज करके इस पर्सन से इतना ज़्यादा अटैच हो गए थे। इट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल एंड इट इज़ वेरी okay to feel this way. So the point is to identify and know the meaning. And once you know this meaning, it is very easy to de-link that meaning because now you'll know कि अच्छा, I am attached to the stability that the relationship gave me, for example. इसका मतलब है कि मैंने कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को स्टेबिलिटी नहीं दी इन अदर एवेन्यूज ऑफ लाइफ, लेट्स से करियर हो गया या फिर एनीथिंग एल्स, मे बी अ बिजनेस or your job, whatever. These are the things which once you understand, it feels like a really big relief. And this is the moment where most people start to realize that they have the ability to move on. You can give these things, these meanings to your own self and be okay. Even if you're not able to give them initially, please understand that you will be okay and things do take time for you to process. The last thing which is really important in completely letting go is to start diversifying meanings and fulfillment in other areas of your life. The easiest way in which I can explain this is finding out your calling, figuring out your purpose, and doing it. I'm not saying that just jao or random cheeze karo, keep yourself busy. No, that is not what I mean. And people will say this to you, ki, oh, you should keep yourself busy while you are dealing with something that requires you to move on. The thing that they mean is figure out your purpose, figure out what gives you fulfillment, and not just blindly keep yourself busy. Once you really start to figure out your purpose and get fulfillment from other areas of your life, that is when you'll realize कि यार मैं तो उस चीज़ के बारे में अब सोचता भी नहीं हूँ इतना ज़्यादा. And that is truly really powerful. That is something that will tell you कि अच्छा, I am moving on, and it's beautiful. If you are idle, your mind will go at a million miles an hour. That is something which personally happens to me, and I know there might be people who will be like me. So it is the best thing to understand yourself more in this situation and work on things which you have not been doing or been prolonging for a while, or attaching different meanings to different people or situations, just trying to externalize things. You can internalize things with time, and with time it will get better. I can assure you that. The last thing which is important is that in this sort of situation, there is no one size fits all. Things that work for me might work for you and it might not work for you. It is important that you experiment and research on things and try them out, figure out what you resonate with the most and किस चीज़ से तुम्हें अच्छा लग रहा है, किस चीज़ से तुम्हें actually help मिल रही है. And just remember that this is temporary and it will be so much better with time. लोग ऐसी सी सिचुएशन से मूव ऑन कर पाते हैं जो शायद अगर मैं अभी बताऊं तो it will feel like the end of the world. Major losses in life, in businesses, but they get up, dust their clothes, and move on forward. And you can too, and you will too. It will happen for sure. Give yourself some time, give yourself some space, and give yourself some love. And yeah, I hope you the very best and happy journey.